We want to solve this quadratic equation by using factorization method. The given equation is 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in a standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let us compare these two equations in order to determine the value of our a, b and c. If we compare these two equations, our a equal to 2, our b equal to 3 and our c equal to minus 5. A equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 5. Multiply a and c together. AC equal to 2 multiplied by minus 5. Our answer equal to minus 10. Find two numbers whose product equal to minus 10 and sum b equal to 3. The correct pair is minus 2 and 5. If we multiply minus 2 and 5, we have minus 10. And if we add minus 2 and 5 together, we have 3. So the correct pair is minus 2 and 5. Split the middle term using these two numbers. We want to split plus 3x by using minus 2 and 5. So this above equation can be written as 2x squared minus 2x plus 5x minus 5 equal to 0. Group the terms in pairs. Bracket 2x squared minus 2x plus bracket 5x minus 5 equal to 0. Factor out the common factor from each group. Here 2x is common in this group, so 2x bracket x minus 1, because if you multiply 2x multiplied by x, we are going to have 2x squared, and 2x multiplied by minus 1, we are going to have minus 2x plus our common factor here is 5. 5 bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. Factor out the common binomial. The common binomial here is x minus 1. Let us factor it out. X minus 1 will now remain 2x plus 5 bracket 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Solve each factor. Set each factor equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus 5 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. Add 1 to both sides. So our equation will become x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 1. X equal to 1. So x equal to 1. Here too, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Add minus 5 to both sides. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equal to minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 is 0. 2x equal to minus 5. Divide both sides by 2. X equal to minus 5 over 2. Final answer is x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 5 over 2.